Okay, so here we go. Got the door panel off inside, and there's some repairs that need to be done inside there with the window mechanism, but you can see there's the cranks right there. That goes over to where you operate the door lock. Anyway, so here we are in the inside of the car, and just took out the seats, and I'm ripping up the mats now, and you can see that they put some carpet under padding inside here, which is fused to the floor now, but you can see it's pretty. Let's see what's under here. Yeah, that's all just, it's all surface, so no holes so far. That's pretty good, and not a ton of rust. I mean, it looks like they coated these floor pans when they redid the interior the first time. Anyway, so we'll continue, see what we uncover. So there's battery, which I should have taken out, but anyway, we'll see whether there's any corrosion underneath there. I hope not, but if there is, we need to deal with it, right? But everything looks pretty good back here. Some surface rust, and then there's this cable that's running, this cable here with these on it. I have no idea what that is, but it runs over here to the battery. I don't know. Okay, so picking out these little bolts, and that'll take out this little bar that holds on these guys, and the heater comes out there through that hole. So get that done. This one comes out here. You can see heat comes out of the engine, and then right by the battery. Like that. Those we're gonna use those. So, and this is so we gotta spare them. Okay, so we got the battery disconnected here, and actually that sounds very good. That sounds solid. Okay, we're gonna take that out. Okay, so there's the battery, and you always get this stuff. Wow, I should have taken that out. That was stupid, but that is solid. No holes yet. Okay, that's how far we got. That took about half an hour to do that. That's not bad. So we'll continue soon.